Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. In today's video, y'all see it? We about to make this fire, easy peach cobbler. Y'all ready? All right, let's do it.
Welcome to our channel.
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
To get started, I'm gonna melt a stick of butter in a 9 by 13 inch pan. I have 2 large cans of peaches, one with the syrup, one drained, okay? We're gonna go ahead and empty that into our pot. Now to the peaches, I am adding half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of granulated sugar. Also, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Go ahead and put that in. You also need half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then you want to just get that stirred on up, mix it together, and cook it over a medium-high heat. Okay, to balance out that sweetness, you want to add you about a teaspoon of lemon juice. All right, and I'm just gonna let this cook down for about 5 minutes. Okay, I am using self-rising flour. You are going to need 2 cups. I'm also adding about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. All right, next you need some granulated sugar. I am using 1½ cups. Next, you need 1 cup of milk. I'm using a ½ cup measuring cup, so you see me pouring it twice. Okay, now you want to just whisk all of your ingredients together until your batter is nice and smooth. Okay, so you're going to take your batter and pour it right over your melted butter. And then we're going to spoon over our peach mixture. And this is what it looks like when you add your peaches with juice. On top of this, I am just going to sprinkle over some cinnamon and sugar. Then it goes into a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And this is what you have, this beautiful masterpiece of a peach cobbler. Now it's time to taste. Doesn't it look good, y'all? All right, cutting into it, it has a nice, firm, crispy outside crust, but it feels soft in the center. Now, feast your eyes. Yes. Looks delightful, right? Now, you cannot have peach cobbler without Bluebell's homemade vanilla or the vanilla ice cream of your choice. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the top. There you have it. Now, my son is going to do the taste test.
Alright, I'm going to try this new peach cobbler recipe my mom made. I'm not entirely sure how it's different. I don't know the specifics of it, but I'm going to dig in, give y'all my first reaction.
It's interesting. The texture is interesting, but it's good.
Hang on. I might be tripping, but the crust vaguely reminds me of a hybrid between peach cobbler and a dumb cake, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
It's pretty good though. The crust is very good in terms of consistency. The pieces are good. The sauce that surrounds it, kind of the cobbler juice, is very sweet. So overall, I definitely would recommend it. It's a good alternative. Something to mix up for family gatherings or something. Definitely enjoyable.
All right. You heard the kid. Try it.
All right, as always, we thank y'all so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.